Are you caught between choosing Apex Trader Funding or Topstep for your prop trading journey? These two giants dominate the prop trading world, but which one truly deserves your time and money? Stick around as we break down the differences and reveal which prop firm might just give you that edge in the markets. Welcome to Prop Trading Guru. Today, we're comparing Apex Trader Funding and Topstep, two of the most popular proprietary trading firms out there. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, knowing the differences can help you make the best decision for your trading goals. First up, let's talk about profit splits and fees. Apex Trader Funding offers a generous 90% profit split, with monthly fees starting at $137. On the other hand, Topstep comes in with an 80% split for funded accounts, and their fees start at $165. If you're looking to maximize your take-home pay, Apex Trader might have the edge here. Now, let's dive into the maximum balances. Apex gives you access to a max balance of $300,000, while Topstep offers up to $500,000. It's important to match these options with your trading style. Both firms offer different levels of accounts based on your performance, but Topstep's larger balance might attract those who are aiming to trade bigger positions. Which firm's balance fits your strategy? Comment below. Both firms cater to a variety of trading styles. Whether you prefer scalping, day trading, or swing trading, Apex and Topstep both support these strategies. However, the difference lies in the asset classes. Apex supports a broader range like Forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrency, while Topstep is focused more on futures and Forex. So if you're looking for more diversification in your trades, Apex might be your go-to. Both firms have a two-step evaluation process, where traders must meet profit targets and manage their losses effectively to secure a funded account. Apex's program is a bit more relaxed when it comes to daily loss limits, but Topstep's evaluation is renowned for being structured and straightforward, perfect for traders who thrive on a strict regimen. When it comes to customer satisfaction, both firms score highly, but Apex shines with a 4.9-star rating across platforms like Trustpilot. Their traders praise the easy funding process and responsive support. Meanwhile, Topstep holds a solid 4.7-star rating, known for its transparency and clear rules. So, which prop firm should you choose? If you're after higher profit splits and more asset diversity, Apex Trader Funding might be your top pick. But if you prefer structured evaluations and larger max balances, then Topstep could be the way to go. That's a wrap. Let us know in the comments which firm you think is the best for prop trading. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth comparisons and trading tips. Until next time, happy trading